No.
Like you mean these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're playing with Franny. Hi, I'm Miss Elza Ritter. Here's Franny. We're playing with her game for ears. So she played for me. Oops. Very high 2 notes. And she wants me to find it. So now it's my turn for Franny. I'm gonna place something in the middle. Let's take white keys. 1 of 5 white keys. One of those. Okay, ready? Listen. Good. Wow. One more. Very good, Franny. Last one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this one. Very nice. Now I want you warm up your fingers with the C major scale. Play from this middle C and that C. Non legato, third fingers. Relax like this. Yes, continue like this. Keep going. I'll play with you. Good. You know when the most relax, like recess time happening when you go up. And here's your recess time. Work a little bit. Relax, reset, and relax. Okay. So Franny can play now C major, G major, and D major with no problems, right? 2 sharps for D major. Let's review D major. I'm gonna move your 2 black keys. And I think you learned that new black keys shows up on a new step. It's step number 7, right? So we keep previous one, and the new black key is gonna be on step number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes? Remember D major? Can you play it? Okay. So you right hand here. F sharp and G and A and B and C sharp and D. D. Repeat C, C sharp and B and A and G and F. Oh my goodness, your wrist is so tense. So tense because you're pressing the keys instead of let go. Gravity, gravity, gravity. Relax and drop. No, 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 no. Just drop. Thank you. We had the wrong. Okay, let's finish with this. So I think you need to go back to your exercise for the wrist with remember with eraser. Are you practicing sometimes? Because I'm very concerned about your very hard and tense, stiff wrist. Okay, this is my concern, big concern. Okay, let's move to the book. What we did here with Franny, page 30, 31. Let's get silly. And what you guys need to do if you learn the song by yourself. And if child not comfortable with right hand stems up, left hand stems down, what we did, Franny? We colored hands, different colors. So our right hand is pink color, our left hand is blue color, And we use yellow for
like what tells you like where your hands are.
exactly for the position of the hands, because Franny was not sure if this position working for both hands for the whole song, right? And I explained you for this song, yes, for this level they give you position. This is your notes. Later on, no positions. You're gonna play lots of notes anywhere. So this considered like easy. Stay in these notes. Don't move away. Don't go far away. Okay, let's review the song, Franny. Which hand starts? And I'm asking you to sing for me the fingers numbers.
Okay. 4, 4, 4,
Very good. Hopefully next time, I really hope we can play this together. I think I'm gonna give you 4 new cards. This is gonna be 9. You know what I liked? I like when you try to sing and match the. Oh my goodness, this is on my way, I guess, or I'm on the way of the light. So I like how your voice tried to find the note and like blend it. Did you feel sometimes it's you start in a different pitch and at some point it's like getting like finding and you like blend beautifully. I like that. Okay, here's we have what? Ti-ti-ta, ta-ta-ti. Franny is gonna demonstrate for Miss Elza and for everyone. Few notes, few rhythms, few ti-ti-ta-tas. Okay, and what we do for rest? Shh, rest. Okay.
ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta.
Okay, she's doing so great with the rests. Let's learn one of the new ones. 8 notes, it means they're gonna be what? T, right? Short one. Sh, T, sh, T, sh, T, sh, T, sh. Easy?
T.
No.
T.
This is sh, this is rest. T.
T.
Exactly. Repeat second time. And third time. You got it. Yes, you got it. There's another new one. Sh.
Ta. Oi.
You know better. Yeah.
Ta, ti, ti.
Sh. Ta, ti, ti, sh. Ta, ti, ti.
Ta, ti, ti.
Okay, let me try. If I play the note. How about this? Now you clap and I play for you the notes together. Okay, ready, set, go.
Ta, ti, ti. Ta, ti, ti.
One more. Good. Okay. Keep working on this. Now we are going to work on a Russian book, and Franny did some learning of the first page. Only written, right? You did not learn the notes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Demonstrate for me. Let's say number 4.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wait. Number 4. We're here. See my pencil helping you? Go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Very good. Let's learn the number 5. I know you did not do this, but if you look carefully, It's written the same, pretty much, quarter notes and half notes. So in a Russian book, number 1, part 1, page 6, number 5. Let's try. Okay, ready, set, go.
One.
Wait, let me find my note. Okay, ready, set, start.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
2, 1, 2. Half note, right? Okay. So let's see how you comfortable with the notes now. This is on the first line. The note, the letter is
E.
E. On the second line, note is
G.
good. And space between first and second line,
F.
good. And number 4, there is 2 different notes. There is G and A. G and A. And number 5, there is
C.
more C, B,
C, D, B,
C,
B, A,
A. Good job. How about sing with me? I'll play for you, okay? Let's try. C, C, B, C, C, D, C, C, B, A, A. Good job. How do you know that B is going lower? Like your voice singing lower, not higher, right?
Because it's left and it's flipped like this. It's like over here, it's flipped upside down.
No. Right here, for example. C, C, and you sing B. Why not C, C, B? Why not like that? Because,
it's left.
Not left, it's lower, right? Because it's going lower, right?
Yeah.
C, C, lower, B, C, C, D, higher, C, C, B, lower, and lower, A, stay, right?
Yeah.
So I would say this way, sing the notes. Sing notes. Okay? You can start like play one note and after that sing. Okay? So let's learn a little bit about half step and whole steps. Do you remember anything? Half steps and whole steps on the piano? What is it? No, okay. So the music, the sounds build up like this. You see? You set down or up, lower or higher, right? So look, we go higher, higher. Do you hear it? Do you hear how sounds getting higher and higher? Or this way, they're getting lower and lower. So it's like steps. This little teeny tiny smallest steps, we call them half step, a half step. So the smallest step between notes, it's a half step. Okay? So can you find for me any 2 notes? Can you play for me any 2 notes? What makes the smallest steps? Let me see. Oh, so much choices. So hard to pick these choose notes, 2 keys. Wrong, my dear. Why? Because it's not smaller. Look.
Oh.
There is another note which is higher than this one and lower than that one. Okay, try again. Yes, this is good. This is a half step. Try another one. Good. Seems like this is your favorite. Try find for me a half step between 2 white keys. Between 2 white. Yeah, this one. Exactly. So listen. Another 2 white. review a half step, and next time we'll talk more about the whole step. Okay, whole step next time. Now let's review also sharps and flats. Can you tell me what do you know about A sharps and flats?
A sharps are like they like go up to make it higher, and then they go down.
The sharp makes note go up, makes it higher, right? It's like sharper. And the flat makes it go down to the left, make it lower. Okay, so let's say I'm telling you that this is not F. Are you agree?
Yeah.
And I tell you this is F sharp. Am I right?
No.
Why not? You said
yeah,
it's
right.
yes. Okay. E. E flat. Correct?
Yeah.
A sharp. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. G and G flat.
Yeah.
Good. So I passed my test. Now you, Franny, find for me C sharp. First of all, you went too low. Second of all, you should go up sharp, up, not down. And if you want to play this C even flat, it's not flat. Okay, so C sharp, this one. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, how about E flat? Where's E? E. Flat, lower, like flat, down. Good, so practice this with mommy. Flats and sharps. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Oh, oi, flying cards. Okay, flying cards. We finished the lesson. Let's say goodbye. Bye. This is Franny and Miss Elza. Thank you for watching.